To get custom font style on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the display options right here. We can then scroll down and select the font size and style. Click on the font style and click on this plus button. You will need two things: internet connection, and you need to be logged into your Samsung account, otherwise your store won't open and you won't be able to access those additional font styles. So now when you're on this page, you need to pay attention to the price tag. If it says free, that means you can just download it for free and then use it. If there's a price tag, you will need to pay for that font before you can use it. Let's go to top free options, and then we can select this Samsung Sans and download it. After it's downloaded, we can go back to our font styles and here select the Samsung Sans that I've downloaded. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.